The original MSI Claw handheld gaming device was met with a largely negative reception, with reviewers declaring it the worst handheld gaming console of the current generation. The primary issue stemmed from the Claw's underwhelming performance, inconsistent power management, and buggy software experience, all of which left it lagging behind competitors like the Asus ROG Ally and Valve's Steam Deck. In today's video, we'll explore the key areas where MSI needs to improve to make the Claw 2 a success. For the Claw 2, MSI will need to carefully select the right hardware to provide a more consistent and reliable experience. The MSI Claw 2 was rumored to set the new Intel Lunar Lake chip, with its promised 50% boost in GPU performance, as a step in the right direction. However, MSI must ensure that the power management and thermal solutions are optimized to extract the best possible performance without sacrificing battery life. Additionally, MSI should consider expanding the Claw's connectivity options beyond the single Thunderbolt 4 port. The inclusion of additional USB ports, as seen on the Lenovo Legion Go, would greatly improve the device's versatility and ease the frustration of having to rely on a hub for basic peripherals. One of the most significant shortcomings of the original Claw was its software experience, which was described as clumsy and lacking the polish and integration of rivals like the Steam Deck and ROG Ally. MSI's own MSI Center M software was criticized for its unintuitive navigation, inconsistent functionality, and overall lack of refinement. For the Claw 2, MSI must prioritize a more streamlined and user-friendly software experience. This could involve collaborating with Intel to ensure better driver support and integration, as well as a more thoughtful and intuitive design for their proprietary software. Providing clear and easily accessible power management controls, as well as seamless integration with popular game launchers, would go a long way in improving the overall usability of the device. One area where the Claw could potentially differentiate itself is in its ability to provide a compelling docked experience. The Claw's Thunderbolt 4 connectivity and Intel's generally stronger support for external graphics solutions could allow MSI to offer a more polished and capable docking solution than the competition. MSI's expertise in desktop graphics cards and laptop architecture allowed them to create a high-quality docking station that not only charges the Claw but also connects it to a larger monitor, keyboard, and mouse. This docked mode could help to explain the Claw's greater pricing by providing a more adaptable and capable gaming experience when connected to a desk or TV. The shift to Lunar Lake should boost efficiency, but MSI must fine-tune power profiles to ensure a noticeable difference in performance and battery life. The original Claw's Super Battery mode only slightly extended battery life while greatly reducing frame rates. By refining these profiles and offering more control, MSI can help users balance performance and battery life according to their specific needs and usage scenarios. In the original Claw, MSI seemed to neglect user engagement and support. The company's forums and social media were described as abandoned just a month after launch, indicating a disconnect between the manufacturer and its customers. For the Claw 2, MSI must take a more proactive approach. This could involve regular software updates, community-driven feature requests, and responsive customer support. By fostering a strong user base, MSI can gather valuable feedback to improve future Claw models and cultivate customer loyalty and investment in the product line. The original MSI Claw underperformed in the handheld PC market, with performance, power management, and software difficulties. However, the Claw 2 allows MSI to improve. MSI can make Claw 2 a serious competitor by improving hardware, perfecting software, enabling docked usage, and strengthening the community. If successful, MSI may establish itself in the booming handheld gaming market, providing consumers with additional alternatives and innovation in this rapidly changing field. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Share this video with your friends and comment down your thoughts on the MSI Claw 2.